You're going to take a few minutes to focus on helping you relax. Please close your eyes and take a nice, big, deep breath. Feel your belly get big and then blow all of that air out of your belly. Let's do that one more time. Take a nice, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your belly get big and then blow all of that air out of your belly through your mouth. Now I want you to imagine that you are a bird. You can be whatever kind of bird that you want to be, in any color that you want to be. I will give you some time to figure out what kind of bird you want to be. Now that you are a bird, you're able to fly wherever you would like and explore any place that you want to. You can fly over the trees, you can fly over houses, you can fly over your school, you can literally go wherever you want. Since you are so lucky to be a bird, I would like you to pick the place that makes you the happiest to fly to. It can even be a place that only you dream about. Since you are a bird, you can go there. I want you to spend some time flying around this place that makes you so happy. Notice the colors. Notice the smells. Notice what you're hearing. Let me give you some time to enjoy your happiest place. Now it is time to leave your happiest place. It's okay though, because you know that you can come back and visit anytime that you want to. When you are meditating, you're able to imagine that you are a bird and you can go back to your happy place and find comfort and joy. As we come out of this meditation, I want you to wiggle your toes. Now wiggle your legs and wiggle your fingers and wiggle your arms. Turn your head to one side and then another. Now open your eyes. Take a deep breath. And when you feel comfortable, you can get up and move around.